Hi SWOT trader, welcome to Elite Currency. This is the first video, the starting point. We're excited, we hope you are too. Let's get started. This video is all about the big picture. It basically introduces the goal and the structure of the SWOT course as you go along. So we'll be basically explaining what is the goal behind SWOT, how does the course work, and how will you learn it. All right, so first of all, what is the end goal and what can you do with SWOT? So basically, SWOT is a system that offers traders a roadmap. And basically, there are different setups that can be traded within the roadmap. So it is not one system, it is more a methodology, it is more a vision how to understand, analyze, and view the charts. And within that roadmap, we basically can choose different setups, all right? When you understand and go through SWOT, you'll basically be able to understand and know the path of least resistance for price. This is something I talk about often in webinars, and now you'll be fully aware and fully be able to analyze and set up and understand the path of least resistance on your own without my help. All right, maybe at the beginning, of course, you can still look at webinars and you'll get a quicker understanding of how I do that. But eventually, you will be able to do it by yourself. Within that roadmap or path, you'll be able to choose the trade setups that best fit you. There could be multiple ways of tackling the market. I'm going to discuss those, and then it's really up to you to see the ones that you think fit best with your trading psychology and your trading mentality. Everyone has a different style, so if you don't like the way I trade, that's fine. You might like something else. That's absolutely normal and natural. But with SWOT, you don't have one fixed way of trading. Rather, you have a comprehensive, roadmap, compass to understand what's going on in the market, and then you can pick and choose. Basically, you'll be able to understand the place of price within the market cycle. So, what does that mean basically? You'll be able to recognize decision zones, you'll be able to find spaces, the wide open spaces, and the best moments to trade. And of course, you'll also understand and identify confirmation and invalidation levels. These are all basically key ingredients to understanding how to analyze and trade the markets. And SWOT will take you through that one step at a time. Because what is the path of learning? How we actually learn what I just described in point one, right? It sounds maybe exciting, maybe it sounds a bit overwhelming to you, but it's not, because we take you basically step by step. So you'll be able to understand how we combine wave analysis with moving averages, and that basically based on the position of price versus those moving averages, you'll be able to make a wave map. Based on that, on the moving averages, fractals, Fibonacci, all these tools that go hand in hand with trading the waves, you'll be able to, basically understand the roadmap. So this is basically the logic behind SWOT. But don't worry, we're going to take it small. We're going to work it step by step. We're going to start with small concepts and basically build it up from there. We're going to be explaining support and resistance, momentum, trend. We want to make this accessible for everyone, even traders who just started. So that's why it's a gradual progress. So if you're wondering after a few videos, where is this heading? Where is the next goal? That's why we have this video now, so that you understand that we're starting with smaller building blocks. And then eventually we're going to connect those building blocks and bring it all together. But that's going to take some time. Be patient. Go through a couple of these videos and work yourself through it. Even if you understand perhaps some of these topics, still go through it, because that's how we did it. We wanted to start small and work to the higher concept, not start with the higher concepts, because that would be very theoretical. We wanted to start very practical and then work ourselves up to bigger concepts like this. the disadvantage of that is that you might get a feeling that you're not sure what this is headed towards. Well, that's why we have this video, because we want to explain that this is trying to explain the SWOT roadmap, but before you can understand those bigger concepts, we need to make sure that all of the ingredients are understood first of all. Then we can head towards explaining the indicators of the system itself, how they relate to the waves and the Elliott wave theory, and the market structure as well. All right? So that's it for now. Hope that you start soon with the course, and wish you all great trading. Cheers.